Hello, welcome to CATEX-TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. This is a broadcast from Princeton, New Jersey. Today is Wednesday, August 10th, 2011. In the big news, violence in the UK continued last night. London was quiet. 16,000 police officers had been called in. However, there was violence in Birmingham. Prime Minister Cameron has announced that frankly, no quarter is going to be given, and the rioters and looters are going to be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. He's taking a very hard line against them. Meanwhile, shock continues throughout Britain. These riots sort of exploded quite unexpectedly. Yesterday, droves and droves of British citizens were out on the street cleaning up their neighborhoods, sending a very clear message to what hopefully is a minority of looters and malcontents who caused all of the violence and destruction. Meanwhile, insurance claims apparently hinge about a determination by the government that the civil disturbances were in fact a riot. If they are a riot, apparently many of the claims can then be borne by the state via the police departments. More on that as that develops. In the United States, stock futures today are down for Wednesday. This is after a very big day yesterday. Global stock markets in Europe as well as through Asia before that repeated the update that the stock market in New York had yesterday. In the United States, again, political pundits all on the cable news networks are decrying the fact that President Obama is failing to lead the country, and talking about the need to bring Congress back into session. The White House thus far has resisted any pressure to bring Congress back into session. The last time Congress was in session, things didn't work out so good. Cooper Gay, the big London independent broker, has appointed its first chief information officer, a fellow named Brent Kruger. He's been appointed as group CIO. Kruger previously was the CIO at Aon Risk Solutions. He's now going to lead all of Cooper Gay's IT initiatives. He's going to work also on outsourcing existing technology programs. Cooper Gay's CEO Toby Esser said Brent's newly created role will be to drive efficiencies and deliver a flexible platform that will enable our business to grow globally. Thompson, Heath & Bond, as reported by Christopher Monroe in the Insurance Today, has brought in Jaron Newwald from Aon. He's going to be the London, THB is headquartered in London, and Mr. Newwald is going to increase its footprint in continental Europe. Newwald has spent the last 12 years at Aon, and his appearance now with THB forms part of a wider strategy in the group's European division. Newwald will officially join THB in October as a senior broker, and he's going to be based in THB's office in Amsterdam. THB explained that the arrival of Newwald will complement his existing liability portfolio of business, a unit that's seen substantial growth this year. THB itself has seen substantial growth. Just several weeks ago, they reported an increase in fees and commissions of 6% year on year, equal to about £26 million at the halfway point this year. This increases its profit before tax by 100% to £1.9 million compared with the same period last year. At the same time, THB explained organic growth that helped drive the increase, while systems changes are, quote, well underway, which will help to secure additional financial improvements. And Aon eSolutions Incorporated has filed a lawsuit apparently in federal court against risk management technology provider Riskonnect Incorporated, as well as 3 former Aon employees who went to Riskonnect. Aon is alleging misappropriation of confidential information and unfair competition. The suit alleges that before 3 former Aon employees resigned and accepted positions with Riskonnect in May, they, quote, copied and removed without authorization Aon computer files containing trade secrets and confidential business information for the apparent purpose of using information to solicit business for Riskonnect. Aon also alleges that Riskonnect encouraged or condoned the unauthorized activity and will therefore benefit from unfair competition. Riskonnect spokeswoman said that we see it as the David versus Goliath story. It's a little surprising that this large competitor is trying to take us on. She also noted that the company has yet to see the complaint. They say, we've not yet been served. We have not seen the lawsuit. All we know is that there are some allegations of misappropriation of confidential information, and we know that 3 people and Riskonnect have been named. That's all the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.